Hi all, I'm Arjun Ranavera. I'm a solution architect at Forcepoint. Today we're going to discuss how easily we can extend Forcepoint DLP policies from our Forcepoint Security Manager into Forcepoint One channels. So in my previous video, we talked about how we can enable the connection between Forcepoint One and Forcepoint Security Manager. So once the connection is established, you would see a new data pattern appearing inside Forcepoint One. So if I navigate to the DLP objects, you will see that there is a new Forcepoint DLP predefined data pattern. So this means that we can then now use the DLP patterns or DLP policies defined inside Security Manager. So if I go back to the policies, we have two channels. So we have the web channel for web-based activities, and then we have the CASB channel for cloud applications. So with the web channel, we can apply policies based on different users. As you can see here, you have a policy for different groups of users, and then we can define a specific destination. You can set it to any, or if you want to inspect all destinations, or you can select a specific category, in this case, web-based email. And then if you click on the action, we can add the data pattern, which is we found earlier on, which is the Forcepoint DLP. And what you will notice is that the action is automatically selected for you. So which means that the action will be applied based on what you define inside the Forcepoint Security Manager. And once you select that, so for both download and upload, the next step is to enable the notification. So this is what the user would see as they upload or download a file. So if the file is blocked as per the action, they will see a notification page from Forcepoint One, which you can fully customize and select. You can select a different notification for downloads and select a different one for file uploads as well. And that's pretty much it. You can see how easily you can enable that policy on the web channel. The next step is to enable the same on the CASB channel. So in Forcepoint One, you can add different cloud applications that you want to apply policies. And then we have two types of policies. So proxy policies are anything you want to do inline. So anything you're uploading or downloading, we can apply controls. And then API policies are where we are doing data at rest scanning. Again, you can enforce those policies from FSM, and Forcepoint One will use those policies to apply the controls. If I take one of the API policies, so in this case, we're looking at the application box, and we have a policy to control access from unmanaged devices. So anything that's not managed using the device profile agent. So again, we can select the action and select Forcepoint DLP data pattern for both upload and download direction. And you can see that the action is already selected for you. You can enable notification. And then Forcepoint One will use that integration and check with the FSM to see if the file should be allowed or blocked. So every time a user connects from any sort of unmanaged device, we can then check the policies that are defined in FSM and apply the controls. And you can have multiple policies depending on different type of users, different type of devices that you want to apply, or it could be based on different locations. And then the action can be defined in FSM. And that's pretty much it. And you can see how easily you can enable those policies for web channel or different cloud applications. If you'd like to see more videos or similar videos around DLPs, please go to our YouTube channel, DLP Tech Talks, where you find a lot more similar videos around our policy control. Thank you very much.